Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And here I have today guys a case for my iPad A16, which is the 11th generation iPad. And of course, as you can see here, this is a MoKo case. Now of course this MoKo case, it says here powered by Idea, Cast Smart Life, alright? Here's some information they give as to the product in terms of contacting warning. Be careful of these cases around your children in terms of the plastics that's left over to prevent accident. You can see the product here. It says MoKo. And what I like about this is it comes in various colors. And we're going to unbox this and we're going to give my first impressions as to what to expect from this in case you're thinking of buying this product. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So this is one of the affordable cases that you can actually get. It comes inside of this unassuming plastic, and of course it's sealed, so we're gonna break the seal. This was bought with my own money. It's not sponsored. Wow. And here we go. So first of all, you'll notice this is the case, and it should fit my iPad here. So as you can see again, it says MoKo right here. So you have the MoKo branding, our logo. Alright, so you can see what it will look like. This is the back, and it's as a blue plastic. This one is blue, so I wanted something blue, and it's a foldable case, so we can use this to prop up the device as a stand. It comes with this material here. We're gonna remove it, and it has this semi-transparent material that we cannot see through. And it's a hard plastic, meaning it will give protection. There's a section for the camera right here, and it folds right nicely. You can see the seams. All right, and it protects right around. Now it covers the speakers here, but leaves holes. You can see the back here, the top cover here, and it leaves the charge port open. All right, so I'm gonna slip this on, and I'm gonna clean the device first to make sure it's clean going into the case. All right, so we're gonna place this on. And guys, here I wanted to show you something. This is the blue from Apple on the right, which is the tablet, and check out the blue. It's almost a perfect match. And if we check out the transparent backing, it's not the same color, but the natural color should shine through. All right, so this is almost a perfect blue match, all right, which is very nice. All right, guys, so straight away, guys, you can see here that this is up, and what I like about this case is that it is very nice. All right, so as you can see here, it doubles as a stand. So if I were to, for example, check this out, that the case itself hugs the device perfectly, and you get a free stand in terms of it doubles as a stand. I like that because of course you can actually fold this section around here, and the cover itself becomes a case, so you can actually prop this up to watch stuff like your movies. All right, so let me show you other stuff that I like. So the case itself is very firm, as you can see. It hugs the device, and in terms of the stand, it clips together perfectly, as you can see here. So make sure that you know that, so you can double as a case. It doesn't block the ports, so as you can see, the ports themselves are open. You can see that the speaker grills are not blocked, including the fingerprint sensor. And of course, here's the charge port. And you can see the section up here, so it holds everything perfectly. The only thing is that it leaves this section up here uncovered, which would be nice if it has been covered as well. And in terms of the cover, here you go. So the cover is okay. So if you have sweaty palms or so on, it's not too bad. I'm not sure long term though. So you can actually close the cover. You can easily open the cover. It was a little tricky getting into the case. So when you're doing it, make sure you place in one side first. Then use your fingers to move the plastic back so it will slide in easily on both ends. So far I'm liking this. I'll give this one also a 9 out of 10 in terms of the case, because it gives so much. It's affordable, it gives a stand, and of course it hugs the device perfectly. You can actually place this in a bag, and it gives you maximum protection. In terms of the color, as you can see here, the color is behind the glass, but of course it's not totally hidden, seeing that it's a transparent or opaque type glass. All right, so you can know which color it is based on the case, or if you just simply want to change the color. And as you can see, guys, it works perfectly and it's comfortable in hand, and you can easily maneuver your device in terms of operation. As you can see, manipulating it is not hard with this case cover. All right, so as you can see, everything works as it should. The device locks and unlocks and everything works. And if you couple this with a great screen protector as the one that I'm using here, which I'll have in the description, you can check out the review of that as well. So I give this case a 9 out of 10 and I'm loving it. It's well neat, it is affordable, it is very secure, and of course it gives great value for money as it doubles as a stand. And I'm liking the color, it's an exact match to the blue if you went to the blue, and I'm assuming the other colors as well to match with your iPad A16 I should say, 11th generation. All right, so I highly recommend this product. Do check it out. I'll have it in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask them, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.